Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy oatmeal cookies for weight loss. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment. Combine 2 cups rolled oats, 1 cup mashed banana, 2 tablespoons flaxseed, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, and a pinch of salt. Mix until just combined and chill the dough briefly to help form cookies. I'll walk you through portion control and simple swaps to keep calories and satisfaction balanced. Form 12 equal cookies for consistent nutrition and portion control. Use a cookie scoop if you have one. Press each ball to about 3-5 inches so they bake evenly without becoming thin. If your dough looks wet, chill for 15 minutes to firm it up and cut spread. Place cookies on a lined sheet with space between for airflow. These steps help maintain texture and make counting servings easy for weight loss tracking. Set a timer for 10 to 12 minutes and watch for golden edges while centers stay slightly soft, which keeps them chewy. Let cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes so they finish setting and don't fall apart when moved. Transfer to a rack to cool completely before storing. Keep in an airtight container for up to 5 days or freeze individual portions to maintain freshness and portion control for busy weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.